Hi, I'm Z. I'm one of the founders of OAP, and in this video, I'm about to give you a short walkthrough of why you can use a digital whiteboard like OAP and why is OAP one of the best whiteboards on the market. So first off, it's the easiest whiteboard on the market. You can see that by just going to oap.com and you're here straight away. You can just click start drawing and you can start drawing right away. No sign in, no login, no anything. After this, if you want to share this board and collaborate with people in real time, only thing you need to do is just click on this green button and you will see the share board menu. You can share a board so everyone can edit and collaborate, or that everyone can view and not edit. This is great for presentations. And if you want to share a copy for each user, this means that everyone who opens up the link will have their own instance of the board. And with that, participants won't collaborate with each other, but you will have the overview of everything what's happening in all the assignments. So right there, if you just copy this link and share with anyone, they will be able to collaborate with you. Then on the left side, you have the toolbar. You have a lot of standard tools. You can select things, move around, delete, so on. You can undo, change colors. You have different shapes, arrows, and so on. You can erase things. You have shapes like rectangles and ellipses. You can put text on the board, or you can put post-its, and you can upload images, PDFs, and PowerPoint presentations. For PDFs and PowerPoint presentations, all the pages in those documents will be created as a separate page on the whiteboard. So here in the bottom left corner, you have the pagination, and here you can go to another page and collaborate that way. Also, you can export all the boards as a PDF. This will export all the pages in one PDF or export just as an image. Here you have a board menu where you can save board, duplicate, delete, and so on. You have the board repository, so you can open up any previous boards. You can create the board from template, new board, or manage participants. You can select who you want to give permission to edit the board or who you want just to view the board. Also, you have a basic chat, and right here in the top right corner, you have the navigation menu where you can zoom in, zoom out. You have a mini map to see where you are. And with this, you can just zoom out so you can see everything that's on the board. And with the hand tool, you can pan around and so on. So basically, these are all the standard options. Keep in mind that OAP is one of the oldest ones and the most stable whiteboards on the market. And if you have any questions or you want to give us a shout out or anything, please send us a message and we'll get back to you straight away.